Last November, during a historic snowstorm, it was all hands on deck to try and keep everyone and everything safe. That included having inmates help remove snow from various areas around the county.
We would have lost, multi millions of dollars of investments, but it would have crippled our fire services had we not went out there and saved those buildings like we did.
But now, a year later, the Davis administration is facing pushback on that move. Erie County District Attorney Elizabeth Hirz tells Erie News Now in a statement, "While I support the county executive's efforts to implement a work program that provides job skills and rehabilitation opportunities, any effort to change an inmate's sentence should follow the proper legal process and include input from my office and, where appropriate, the victims. My office has a responsibility to ensure any sentence modification is consistent with public safety. I would be open to reviewing certain cases, but it must be done in a way that respects the voices of victims and families, considers the protection of the community, and preserves the public's trust in our criminal justice system." But Davis argues under Title 37 of Pennsylvania state law, the inmates participated in this work program legally.
At no time have any of these nonviolent offenders been released from custody. They were supervised by corrections staff. That is all this is.
And Davis also explained why he believes this issue is being put forward right now.
This is an election year. I mean, why would you resurrect something that's from a year ago? From a year ago, a couple weeks out from an election. Keep in mind, we're in an election.
And because we're in this election season and Erie News Now at 11 is election coverage you can count on, we also reached out to Davis's opponent, Christina Vogel, who told us, quote, "The Davis administration allowed 10 inmates to leave the Erie County Prison on work assignments. No judge approved the releases, no prosecutor reviewed the cases, and no victims were notified. All clear violations of established procedure. Both District Attorney Elizabeth Hirz and the Erie County Court of Common Pleas confirmed they were never informed about this program. This wasn't a misunderstanding. It was a complete sidestep of the law. Failing to notify victims isn't just negligent, it's a betrayal of the very people our justice system is meant to protect. I fully support work release and rehabilitation programs when they're done the right way, with court approval, victim notification, and proper oversight."